Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and on this video I'm gonna show you what to do in case you have this problem here while installing or upgrading to Windows 11. Something went wrong, error code 0x800705aa. But before we start this video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button because I'm trying to reach 1000 subs as fast as possible, so don't forget to subscribe. So all you have to do if you find this problem while upgrading or installing Windows 11 is that you have to make sure that you have enough memory in your partition that Windows installation is on. You have to make sure that you have at least 30 to 35 gigabytes for the installation or for the upgrade of the Windows. That's the cause of that problem. So the explanation is very simple. All you have to do is make sure you have enough memory, same as installing Windows 11 from a USB flash drive, not upgrading to it. All you have to do is that to make sure you have at least 30 to 35 gigabytes free on the partition that the installation or the upgrade is on. So this was all for today. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. I was Buzz from BuzzTech. Until next time, have a nice day.